Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing for the Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro. So, like the price of this device is almost like $50 in Tunisia, and I think in the other countries there is no big difference in the price, so the price everywhere is almost like $50. And the difference between this device and the other devices of Xiaomi is that this device normally will help you like shave all of your body, not just your head or your like beard only, but you can shave all of your body with it. Let's go and start our unboxing. Let's open the box. Okay, let's get it outside from the box. Okay, it feels like premium product, like the other products of Xiaomi. So this is the box of your Grooming Kit Pro. Like, it came in a plastic case, hard plastic case, and also this plastic case like feels premium and also looks premium, as you can see. Normally you will find your device inside this like box. As you can see here, this is like your device, and this is what you will find inside the box. So you will find like this one is your device, the shaver. This is like the shaver. It's the first thing that you will find inside the box. Also, it feels like good quality, and also it looks like good quality. And you will find some other heads that you can use for shaving, for like small places, or this one, this head is for like normally for nose and like other small places. You will find also this one for your beard, and this one for like sensitive areas. So you will find the head with it, and also for other heads. And you will find also a charger, like, and Type-C cable inside it also, which is a good thing because nowadays sometimes you can't find like a charger even in a smartphone. This one is for cleaning. You can use it for cleaning. And this one you can use it also with the head who already like existing in your device for cutting your hair, for multiple length of hair. And also you will find this small pocket where you can find, or like that you can find here, and you can put your device on it if you are going to somewhere and you don't want to take all this like plastic case with you. So you can put it here and take it with you wherever you want. So this is all what came with this device, with the Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro. So the device, like I told you, looks and feels premium, like with a good price, and also you have 10 length that you can choose from in this device for your hair. And of course, after I use it, I will do a review video of it. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.